Hi everyone, this is Bruna Amitay from Bruna Organizer, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. I'm here to tell you a little bit about the experience that I had with Erika Salloux during the year that I was living in Boston, Massachusetts. When I met Erika, I couldn't have imagined that it would be the start of such a great friendship that ended up in mentoring and many other stories to tell. Erika was a gift in my life. She's such an incredible organizer, full of energy, and spared no effort in helping me in the beginning of my career. She took me with her to her clients and always gave me a glimpse of their history before we started to work. At each visit, the amount of learning was enormous, and I could finally put in practice everything that I learned in theory. I was exposed to clients with ADHD, those who buy the same stuff over and over, and many other situations. I can say without a doubt that the moments that I lived with Erika were extremely important to my development and contributed in an integral way to the professional that I am today. So to you, Erika, my eternal gratitude. Thank you. Kisses.